Before moving on to the next important topic in the lesson, we will just answer the questions which is there inside the lesson which has been prescribed for you. So name the type of simple tissues: parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. So where is the apical meristems found? So it is found in the growing tips of the roots and stem to increase the length of the plant. So which tissues makes the husk of the coconut? It is the sclerenchyma cells. So they are dead cells, and as we know they are very strong and they give rigidity to the structures where they are present. Now, what are the constituents of the phloem? The sieve cells, sieve tubes, companion cells, phloem parenchyma and the phloem fibers. So with this, the plant tissues is almost over. If at all we have any questions, you can post it to me. Now, moving on to the animal tissues. Now, animal tissues are different types based on the functions that they perform. So, for example, we have the blood cells that helps in transportation, the muscle cells which helps in breathing, and we have many more types of cells. So, we will be discussing about the four broad categories of the cells or the tissues. So, you have the epithelial tissues, connective tissues, muscular tissue and the nervous tissue. Now, what is epithelial tissue? They are compactly arranged cells and it forms a continuous layer that surrounds the organ and the cavities in the body. So, for example, you have the lungs which has been surrounded by the pleura. You have the heart which has been surrounded by the pericardium. So every other organ is surrounded by a protective layer, and this is made up of epithelial tissues. No substance can enter or exit the body without passing through the epithelial layer. Okay? This layer has specific permeability to allow transport of specific substances. Now they are of various types based on the functions that they perform. So first such type that we'll be seeing is the squamous epithelium. Now squama means scales. Okay, they are found surrounding the lining of vessels. They are found in the lung alveoli, esophagus or the food pipe that we have, and the inner lining of the mouth are made up of the squamous epithelium. So they are compactly arranged and they are simple, flat, delicate layer which is like the scales, and hence the name as the squamous epithelium. Okay. So next class we will be talking about the other types of epithelial tissues.